Welcome to VTP Realty, Smart Design MLA Homes. MLA stands for Maximum Livable Area. It means in the very same carpet area, we give bigger room dimensions. Let me explain you how do we do that. Every apartment will be provided with digital door lock of Yale company, which is world leader in digital door locks. It can be opened by biometric, it can be opened by mechanical key, and it can also be opened by the numerical pad. We are providing 3-tier security system. It means every customer is screened at 3 levels. For that, we have placed video camera at 3 different levels. First, at the main gate of the society, second, at the entrance lobby of the building, and third, outside the main door of your apartment. All the 3 video cameras are linked to the monitor which is inside your apartment. You can see the live view of who's outside your main door, who's at the entrance lobby of the building, and also who's at the main gate. You can talk to the person who's at your main door. Hi.
Hi, can you come?
Yes, you can. Another important feature of this monitor is it is connected to your smartphone. It has an IP address. On the smartphone, you get the view of all the 3 video cameras. You can see the live view of the person standing outside your main door, at the building's entrance lobby, and at the gate of the society. You also get a video call of the person who's standing on your main door. So you can talk to the person even though you are not at home. Isn't it very secure? The most important smart home feature is home automation. All the electrical points in the apartment can be controlled by 3 ways. 1. Every room has a touch panel. With the help of touch panel, we can control all the electrical points of the home. They can also be controlled by voice command. We can place Alexa, Google Home in the apartment, and by voice command we can control all the electrical points of the flat. And the third, again by the smartphone, with an app we can control all the electrical points of the home. So if you're not at home, you're outside, and if you have forgotten to switch off the lights, switch on the lights, you can switch on and switch off the lights with your smartphone. We have seen the high-tech features which we are providing. Now let's talk about the internal specifications which we are giving. Every apartment gets veneer finish main door. Veneers are made of wood, so they remain evergreen like wood. It enhances the interiors of your apartment. We are providing large sized marble finish glazed vitrified tile which are better than regular vitrified tiles. The size of the tile is also big enough for lesser joints that makes it look more graceful. In kitchen, we are providing granite kitchen platform, marble finish, joint free, laser cut wall tiles. All the drawer frames have got round edges for safety. They also have rubber lining inside. Rubber lining ensures that the sound from the room does not go outside. Also, the door does not bang, and the cool air of the AC does not escape. In the bathrooms, we are giving motion sensor lights for energy conservation and very convenient for kids and the elders. In all the bathrooms, we are providing marble finished, bigger size, laser cut, joint free tiles. Since they are joint free, the bathroom looks spick and span throughout its life. Bigger tiles, lesser joints makes it look more graceful. The railings to the terraces are taller, 4 feet 3 inches, much taller than the regular railings which you get. Moreover, these railings are glass railings fixed in aluminum section. The glass which we are providing to this railings is toughened laminated glass. Toughened so that it will not break easily, and laminated, even if it breaks, it doesn't fall off and does not cause any injury. More safer for your kids in the apartment. We are providing false ceiling to the balconies for more graceful look. I hope you liked our MLA homes packed with smart home features and high-end specifications. Thank you.